For best performance, we recommend changing the air filters of the CleanBlast Pro every 12 months. The CleanBlast Pro is equipped with two different air filters inside these canisters in the back. On the left side is a fine air filter, and on the right is a coarse air filter. To change these, you'll need to remove the canisters. Start by positioning the CleanBlast Pro so that the back portion of it is hanging off the end of a table or accessible from beneath. It may be overly tight, so you could use a strap wrench to loosen that at first. From there, you can hand loosen. Once the canister is removed, you can turn the thumb screw on the bottom of the fine air filter to loosen it. Now I've made the fine air filter accessible. I remove it from the thumb screw and I replace it with the new one. Once that's been tightened to a normal thumb pressure tightness, I can add the canister back on. I want to make sure that there's a good seal tightened with that canister, but if necessary, I can tighten that more with the strap wrench. Now let's go ahead and change the coarse air filter. The same thing, I'll remove the canister by turning it clockwise. Now the coarse air filter is visible. I'll do the same thing. Turn it clockwise, turn the thumb screw clockwise. This one you have to be mindful because it is just loosely attached to a screw separately. Be mindful also that there is a gasket inside the thumb screw. To replace this, I hold the coarse air filter in place and turn the threaded nut counterclockwise. Now it's hand tightened. I'll go ahead and replace the external canister. Again, get it so that there's a good seal, and if necessary, use a strap wrench. Finally, now that you have the two air filters replaced, you'll want to reset your filter counter on the front. Let's take a look. Okay, now that we've replaced both filters, we can go ahead and change the filter age menu. To do that, we go into System Settings, System Info. Third one down is Filter Age, and you can see it's currently at 12 months. All you need to do is press and hold. That now resets it to 0 months, and the counter will begin. And you're all set. And that's an overview of how to change the filters on the CleanBlast Pro.